Welcome to iCode. This is the second video of linked list implementation, right? In the last video, right, that is the first video of this series, I will explain you how to create a single linked list, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to insert a node, how to insert a new node at the beginning and at the end or a given or a specific position, right? Let me show you what we did in our last video. Okay, this is the code or this is the program of our last video, right? If you did not watch that video, I will provide a link in the description, then you can check out that video, right? We created node class, linked list class, and finally a driver class, and you can see here this is the output of our program, right? Okay, let me show you the appearance of our linked list, right? This is the appearance of a list. We have some nodes, and I thought that that is important to give you a brief explanation about the memory addresses and node, and here the head reference and the tail reference. Okay, so this is our head reference. It has mainly two references, right, called head and tail. This is head, and the left right hand side you can see it, and side you can see a tail reference, right? And these are the memory addresses. You can see each node has a memory address like 100, 200, 400, likewise. In the actual sense, the memory address doesn't like this in the hexadecimal form, right? This is an example memory addresses, right? Okay, now if you want to make a link from this B1 node to B2 node, what you have to do is store the memory address of B2 inside the B1 node like this. It means you make a link from B1 to B2, right? Likewise, you can create these links. So today I will explain you how to insert a new node at the beginning or at the end or a specific position, right? First we will see how to insert a new node at the beginning of our list, right? First I will show you the appearance of the procedure, and then I will show you how to implement the task using Java. Okay, now I am going to insert this node, right? According to our examples, we are going to create a list. Actually, we created a list for a bookshop. So, and B1, B2, B4, B5, this indicates a specific book, right? B0 is our new book, right? Now I am going to add this new book as the first book of our list, right? Then you have to create, or you have to make few changes, right? I will show you how to make a new link. First you need to make a link like this. Okay, then B0 is the first node, so you have to break this link and make a new link like this. So let me change this memory address at 09. Okay, now you can see this is our first node and this is second, third, and so on, right? Now let's see how to implement this task using Java. Okay, this is my linked list class. In the linked list class, I have already created a function called insert beginning. Let me show you the body of the function. let me show you the body of the function. What we have to do is we have to implement two links. The first link is create a new node, right? So node, new node equal to new node, right? Okay, now we have a node. Then we need to make two new links. First link is new node dot next is equal to head. Okay, and then this dot head equal to new node, right? Now we have finished our first function, that is insert beginning, right? You can use here this dot head. Okay, now I have created the insert beginning function. Okay, let me show you how to insert a new node at the end of an existing list, right? First we will see how to accomplish this that task using this diagram. Okay, you can see here I have created a new node, right? Now I'm going to add this node as the last node of our list, right? So you have to do some changes as previously in here, right? You have to store inside this node the memory address of the next node. What is our next node? Now next node is B6, that is 600. Okay, it means we make a new link like this, right? Then you have to change the tail reference, right? Because always the tail reference is linking to the last node. So you can break this link and make a new link like this, right? Now we have done the task. Okay, we will see how to implement this task using Java. Okay, I forgot to tell you. Now this memory address will change to 600, right? Okay, I have a function called insert end. Now I'm going to make two links, right? First, we can use tail reference to access the last node before insert the new node. Now I am going to make the first link, this dot tail dot next equal to new node. Then the second link is this dot tail equal to new node. Okay, now I have finished the insert end function. Okay, now let's see how to insert a new node at this specific position. Okay, now I'm going to add this book 3 as the fourth node, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and fourth book of our list, right? Then we have to make two links, right? The first link like this, okay, and the second link like this. Okay, then we have to change this memory address to 300. It means this link cancel out. Okay, now we can see how to insert a book or how to insert a node at a specific position. To accomplish this task, we have to do some few things, right? Here also I am first, you can see here I have already created a function called insert specific position. Here also I am going to create a new node first. Okay, then in our previous video I had used a temp reference. Here also I need a temp reference, right? I'm making a temp reference and it point to head node. Okay, then what we have to do is we need another variable type int. Let's say I equal to 2, because you can see here the purpose of the purpose of this method is to add a new node as a second node, third node, fifth node, so on, right? Then you can start with the second node. That's why I get the variable I equal to 2. So then we need the while condition here. While the condition is I less than position, right? So we need a variable or a new parameter here. Let's say int position, right? So now we will see how to implement the body of while loop, right? Temp, you can simply write here temp equal to temp dot next and increment I by 1. Okay, after the while loop there are 2 lines you can need to implement. New node next equal to temp dot next and temp dot next equal to new node, right? These 2 lines indicates the 2 links which I explained earlier, right? These 2 links, right? So now we finished our 3 functions: insert beginning, insert end, and insert specific position. Okay, now we will see the output. Now we will see how to looks like our output. To get the output, first I will run the insert beginning function. I already called in the driver class. The book is Moby Dick. So let's see the output. I'm going to add this Moby Dick book as the first book of our list. Let's see. Now you can see the Moby Dick book is the first book, right? Now let's see the function insert end. Okay, the book is War and this is actually War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy, right? Let's see the output. Right, you can see here the last book, War and Peace, right? Because we had called insert end function, right? Now check the insert specific position, right? As I mentioned previously, I will add another book to the 4th position as the 4th position, right? So let's give the position as 4 and run the program, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You can see the Hamlet written by William Shakespeare is the 4th book cover list. First one is Moby Dick, second, third and 4th book is Hamlet by William Shakespeare. Now you can see the program is working correctly. This way You can add a new node at the beginning or at the end or at the specific or a given position or a specific position. Right. In the next video, I will show you how to delete a node from the list. The next video, I will show you how to delete and how to search nodes from an existing list. Right. Thank you.